go over here and watch one. Okay. So you see, there's a guy who lived here in the shelter guys before we start this video. And this is him. Godzilla. Godzilla. Just kidding, guys, but I do not know the name of this guy. He's the stupid name. Or dancer like him, but that's all I know.
I just cleaned up your bathroom and now there's stuff all over the floor.
Okay. There's a little trampoline. Here's my trampoline I built. Okay, it got up here. Okay. Okay. So okay, I figured the plug.
I'm not going anywhere.
Okay. That's the end of our video.